It goes directly connected. Just need the 32 pin connector for the reverse camera. It should be one of those, but I will not know until I get them. Keeps the factory USB, has an extra USB. The radio antenna has extra USB. Reverse camera signal, we just need the plug to it, and that should be it. Steering wheel, everything works for it. It's normal. There we go, clear to go in. And there we go. That should do it. Alright, so the remote control didn't want to work, so I saw extra ground, so I don't know what all of them do, but this one didn't do anything, and then the one next to it didn't change anything, but this one, the one to the far right, as soon as you break the ground from it, you're able to lock and unlock the car with no issues. So far the steering wheel controls work, everything else works fine, so all I'm waiting now is for the reverse plug camera, and everything should be good to go.